Amateur. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to an old favorite here. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage the one and true Reverend Mike Orgo! I am the Reverend Mike Orgo, and I'd really like to see people fighting to the death with hula hoops. Just had to get that out there right quick. It has been a while since I've been at Birds. It's really great to be back here. Everybody feeling good tonight? Want to make a little noise for me? A little hoop action? That's what I'm talking about. So, my act's usually a little off the wall. I thought I'd do something a little bit different tonight. I thought I'd try and tell some jokes. See what that's like. I thought I'd do that for a change. So let me get my joke guns ready, and I'll start off by saying I don't really like sports, but my favorite team is the Bulls, because I love it when they stomp the Cowboys at the rodeo. Bang, that's a good one. That's all right. If people have multiple personalities, you think they're friends on Facebook? Bang, 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 bang. Jokes coming at you left and right. That's what I'm talking about here. People bring me up their newborn babies. I like to look at it, and they ask me how it looks, and I go, man, that thing looks shot out. Machine gun. And, you know, guys, I'm always getting drum circles and circle jerks mixed up, because they both involve fags pounding it. And something I've noticed, sometimes you hear about a chick cutting off a dude's dick.
Yeah.
But you never hear about you hear about it sometimes, but you never hear about a dude super gluing a chick's vagina. I'm just saying. You never hear about that. Okay, bang, 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 jokes, all right. Now on to some more of my regular type stuff. Thank you. I'll try and do jokes more often, I swear. So I am part of the Howler Monkeys comedy troupe, and we were out of town a couple weeks ago, and we were hanging out in the motel room, and a few of us were up late, and there was this really odd religious commercial on. They were selling a religious product, and if I may, I'd like to recreate this commercial for you. Brothers and sisters, I am the pastor, Lenny Bronstein, and Jesus has authorized me to bring you a tremendous deal today. Let me ask you a question. Do you hate Satan? Well, of course you do. Satan sucks. But now we have for you the anti-Satan soothing body lotion. That's right. Now you can fend off the dark lord while you moisturize your skin. What makes it anti-Satan soothing body lotion, you ask? Well, what we did is, we took the soap scum out of 333 of the holiest people's showers that we could find. People like Pat Robertson, people like Bill O'Reilly, people like Charlton Heston, and he was Moses. Now the best part, folks, about this fine product is you can get it for free. That's right, just call up on the phone, pay shipping and handling, and you will receive the anti-Satan soothing body lotion 100% free. But that's not the best part. Right now, you can also get God's personal lubricant for all your masturbatory and forbidden tunnel of love needs. Do you feel guilty when you diddle your doodad? Or when you violate the anal cavity of a dear loved one? Well, no more, brothers and sisters. Now these shameful acts can become celebrations of the love of Jesus Christ with God's personal lubricant. Right now, I'd like to bring up a testimonial. That's right, Izzy Bronstein.
Thank you. Thank you. I wrote a few words. I got very tired of Satan attacking me and making me do things like sleep with my mother's sister. So now with the anti-Satan soothing body lotion, and I sleep with my mother's sister, and I know that the Lord is protecting me. And with God's personal lubricant, Aunt Gertrude lets me sodomize her on a regular basis. And when I masturbate, it's like I'm getting a hand job from Jesus.
Folks, this is a guaranteed offer. I can guarantee you Satan will not attack you whilst you are using the anti-Satan soothing body lotion or God's personal lubricant. Folks, guilt-free bumbuggery is just a phone call away. I am the Reverend Orgo. Thanks for letting me be silly. Y'all have a good one.